So if I live in this neighborhood, then that counts me as a neighbor, right?
Hello everyone, this is Mavic. So I am here right now in front of Dwight Howard's house, and I'm gonna tell you more about his house in a few.
So this is where we normally do our morning walk, and for today's video, I wanted to give you a glimpse of our neighborhood. We've been living in this neighborhood for a few years now, and while most of the houses look the same, there are two distinct houses, or should I say, mansions. One of them is this mansion over here called the Gentleman's Ranch, and the other is this big mansion behind me. Some of you may recognize this as Dwight Howard's mansion that he bought when he played for the Atlanta Hawks. He still owns this mansion, but did you know that he is the first person to move into this house ever since it was built?
This gated property sits on a 14.5 acres lot with a living space of 35,000 square feet. This house was built in 2010. And this home was custom built for a reported $40 million, but you know what? The owner never really moved in. Why he never moved in remained a mystery to most of us. The original owner's name was also not made public, but rumor has it that he was a well-known real estate developer.
The oval driveway is made from hand-cut cobblestones. It is shaped like a pineapple, which is the official welcome symbol of the South. So this home comes with 14-car garage. It has an underground tunnel that connects the detached garage with the main house. It has 8 bedrooms, 16 bathrooms, 5 kitchens, and 3 laundry rooms. Kitchens have state-of-the-art appliances with a blend of exotic and traditional design. There is a custom-built pantry with a remote-controlled pantry cabinets.
And like with other big houses here in Georgia, his house has its own fitness center, entertainment center with theater inside. It has saltwater pool, which has a separate pool house as well with a really nice fireplace. That one is the service access driveway. That one. So this property is from here up until that way.
This property was called the Rosehill Mansion because of its massive rose garden. While the original owner spent a fortune to build this place, he put this in market for $17 million in 2012, but no one bought it. It got listed again in 2015 for $13 million until Dwight Howard bought it at a bargain price of $8.8 million. Dwight remains the owner of this property, and he's been seen spending time here during quarantine. Who wouldn't want to be stuck in this massive house after all? I'm sure you all want to see inside Dwight's house, so here you go.
So the first time you're coming up to the house and you pull in through that gate and you see this.
I'm just like, wow, I can't believe I have a home like this. It's peaceful out here. This is where I meditate. I come out here and I also hug some trees.
Like any tree?
Yeah, it's just like, just go hug a tree. I didn't grow up with a lot. I literally don't take anything for granted, and I enjoy every single moment, no matter what it is.
What's the upkeep required for a place like this? It's 15 acres.
I actually have one person that does the whole house. He does the landscaping, the gardening. He's amazing.
Thanks for showing me around the outside. Let's check out the inside.
I have some of the biggest snakes. The one down here, her name is Cleopatra.
How big will she get?
Up to like 25 feet, 200-something pounds.
What are you gonna do with a 25-foot, 200-pound anaconda?
The same thing they do. Nothing.
How often have you been bit by one of your snakes?
I've only been bitten 3 times.
Is there like a scar?
Yeah.
Wait, let's see. That's no joke. That's a real bite.
It didn't even hurt.
I definitely think people have a misunderstanding about snakes. I got this purple car because of Thanos from the Avengers. Yeah, he's my favorite character. He was able to understand that in order for him to complete his mission, he had to get rid of his emotions. And that's the hardest thing that we all face.
You got the purple interior too.
Yeah, and this is my other favorite car.
This is a beast. What is this?
My son calls it a monster truck.
You gotta show me this.
Yeah, this is the Superman bike. It's super loud, super fast.
What's the fastest you've ever taken it?
I've been about 170
170.
in this. I do have different jerseys that, people that, I really enjoy playing against or playing with. D-Wade and Chris Bosh. I love those guys to death.
Oh, this gets to be your movie area.
Yes, and we got the Joker. I love Batman. This was signed by all the Jokers. And then this is one of my favorites right here. Back to the Future with the original shoes.
So cool.
I want to get my body like that.
I mean, you're doing a pretty good job at it right now.
I'm trying. I gotta get these. I don't know what those called, but they make you look like you extra strong.
Yeah,
I don't know
right.
what that is. This is my gold medal from the 2008 Olympics. I carry this around everywhere I go.
Why?
Why wouldn't you want to carry this around? This is a gold medal.